Hi, good afternoon. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel. So in this video, I talk about that how to become a YouTuber. So I have a 10 steps or 10 tips for you, steps for to become a YouTuber that is really useful. Okay, so set the goal. Step number one, set the goal. Okay, so you have to set the goal, both the long term and short term. Okay, so if you really want to become a YouTuber, you have to think properly the goal. Okay, so you have to think first your goal and then choose the right topic and the content. Okay, so the content, the topic and the content is this is really very hard part of the to become a YouTuber. This is the very hardest part, and I am still figuring it out. So I am doing research. I am doing the research that, for example, target the audiences or searching for the with the keyword tools. Okay, so when for example you choose the right topic and the content. That is number two. Okay, so number three is come up with a brand name YouTube channel. Okay, so for example, you have to trend these days like just using your full name or use as your channel name, and then use like, for example, your nickname. Okay, so for example, you have to find a way what is your brand name. Like brand name is like your YouTube account, okay, name, okay, like YouTube channel name. Okay, so you have to find a way what is your YouTube channel name. Okay, so first steps is get the equipment. Okay, for example, microphone. Okay, to for example, equipment like microphone, for example, camera, you know, like me, I'm using the handphone camera like my smartphone, and then I'm using the application only like 4K application for doing my 4K HD, for example, like that, if I want to be a good quality videos. And then the ring light, of course, I have a ring light. You can see my light, reflection of my ring light. So you have to find out with your equipment. Okay, so ring light, and then I have the laptop when you want to edit. Of course, if you don't have the laptop, you have to use your handphone, smartphone as your editor, or you have to download your software, which editor you want to edit your videos. Okay, so get your equipment, like for example, an iPhone or a smartphone like that, which is not too bad to start. Okay, for example, like for me it's okay, the smartphone, because I am downloading the software, the application that which is really useful for me. This which is I'm using now for taking the videos for me is a 4K application only. Okay, so this is what I am doing. So for example, if you want to create your channel, okay, so so step 5 is you create your channel. Okay, so all you have to do is you have to create your YouTube channel in the YouTube, of course. Okay, you have to make your Google account, like for example your Gmail account. You have to make that first before you proceed to the YouTube channel. Okay, so you have to make that, of course, the Gmail, and then you have to make your YouTube channel. Okay, so that is the 5th step. Okay, create your channel. Okay, so next is the set a schedule. Okay, so to keep up the schedule, the content schedule is Notion can be a grade. Hi, have a nice day. Good morning. So today in this video, I will explain to you how to become a YouTuber, or before how to become a YouTuber. Okay, so it's a 10 steps that I will share to you how I become a YouTuber. Okay, so first step is set the goal. For example, okay, I set the goal, like for example, I want to become a YouTuber. So I want to be a what is my content, you know, for the very first time I want to do the vlog. Okay, so I want to set the goal that which one I want to be, I want to become to do the YouTuber. So which content I need to do. So you have to make your goal first. Okay, so step 2 is choose the right topic and the content. Okay, so the right topic and the content, for example, which content you want. A lot of content, right? For example, you want to be a tutorial, you want to be a vlog. So a lot of content that which is you have to find the right place or the right content, the right topic that which is you want to be posted in your YouTube channel. Okay, so you have to think that first carefully, because if you cannot be to be a vlogger, like for example the daily, like for your attitude or for your heart, that you have to be the check first for your topic and your content. Okay, so you have to think properly first. Okay, this is the second one. The third one is come up and with a brand name. Okay, so YouTube channel name. Okay, so the YouTube channel name is your own brand name. Okay, so to make, like for example, your name or your full name, this is very important. Some they put the full name, some is they put the nickname, or some you can put, you decide your brand name. Okay, so you must think also before you proceed. Okay, so what is your brand name? Is it your name is like nobody the same as your name, you know, because sometimes you want to give to your friend that this is my name, so you have the same name as your other place, so other people. So you have to, when they search your name, that one is number one, so your name, that they will subscribe from there, you know, so it's not your correct name together. Okay, so you cannot, your name is not really searchable. Okay, so you have to find a way and set the goal, your name. Okay, your brand name. Okay, so fourth is get the equipment. Okay, for example, before that I already get the phone or iPhone. For me is I'm using the smartphone, because I download the 4K application in my smartphone, then I can take the 4K or HD or very good taking the video for me. Like now I'm using the smartphone. Okay, so a smartphone Samsung A7 only I'm using, so it's very good actually. So if you have a laptop also, it's very good if you want to do the editing. If you don't have the laptop also as your equipment, never mind, you can download as an application as your editor. Okay, so that is the fourth step. So number 5 steps is create your channel. Okay, so before that, of course, you have to create your Google account. Okay, so you have to make your Google account first before you can make the YouTube channel. Okay, so this is all you have to do first. Okay, so you have to make your Gmail or Google account before you can proceed to make a YouTube channel account. Okay, so number 6, you have to set and a schedule. Okay, so set to keep up, you know, like for example, you have to, you know, you have to set an schedule when, for example, this week your topic is a tutorial. Okay, so what time you want to download, what time you want to post. Okay, so you have to edit what time, you have to fix your time when you can download or what time you can download. Okay, so every day or every week is your schedule like that. You have to find and think first when is your schedule to post the video. Okay, so that is number 6. Okay, so make and upload the video. Okay, so another, this is the hardest part. Okay, the how to make and upload your video. Okay, so when you make your video, of course you must to think first your topic, like, you know, you have to think first that, okay, what is my topic now, so how to make the video. Okay, so you have already the title, so you have to think first, oh, how to make the video, how to film myself, how to discuss or how to explain to them. Okay, I already have a title, so this is another part also that is really hard. Okay, so after that you already make the video, so of course you have to upload the videos. For example, very hard also if you don't have the Wi-Fi. Okay, so how you download that you already make the video, how you download, how you upload. Okay, so of course you must find a way all this, because before a YouTube you must fix that first. Also make a video or then you upload the videos. Okay, so number 8. Okay, step number 8. Okay, so learn YouTube SEO, okay, search engine optimization. Okay, so currently I'm studying the optimization, I'm still learning for that. And then it will be, I have to think first, what is the next episode, then the create the community. You have to create the community, which is the next part of your video. Okay, so you have to make from that. That is the best part and hardest part for the beginning. Okay, so to promote the 10 steps is you to promote your YouTube. Okay, so you can promote your videos as long as you can promote for the social media or social network for free, for example the Facebook, the Pinterest, the Twitter, or in the social media. Then I cannot tahan. I'm not really. I cannot take it, you are hila. Ayo. Can. I can.